Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Dash camera video catching a murder in the act. Those gunshots hitting and killing a man in his car as he entered the Cedarwood community.
We could not get out of our neighborhood. The police had the whole intersection closed off.
After hours of investigation, Lee County's Sheriff Marcino confirming 2 suspects who knew the victim were taken into custody.
In less than 24 hours, 2 killers were brought to justice.
In the video, detectives say 24-year-old Ricky Ruiz fired the deadly shots before bolting into this black Honda driven by his partner in crime, 23-year-old Victor Colon.
It was shocking for me to see that video. It's a blatant disregard for human life. It was reckless.
Our cameras captured the aftermath as crime scene units surrounded the community. While detectives searched for key evidence, the U.S. Marshals were working to track down the pair.
Commit a crime like this in our county, you're going to jail.
The sheriff's office can't confirm the victim's identity under Marcy's law, but we spoke with neighbors who knew him and his family well.
He worked with his father, and he just had a baby. And it's always nice, respectful, always waved to me, said hi.
Lee County Fly. 2 men have been convicted of second-degree murder in connection with a fatal shooting in Lehigh Acres. Victor Colon Jr. and Ricky Ruiz were both found guilty of second-degree murder and firing into an occupied vehicle, as confirmed by the state attorney's office. Prosecutors revealed that Colon and Ruiz pursued 21-year-old Isaiah Robles through rush-hour traffic in a car. When the vehicles came to a halt, Ruiz exited his car and fired 16 shots at Robles, killing him.